Okay, device incoming is an phone that's branded iDroid. The battery in the back states iDroid Apache G6. After removing the back battery cover, we see it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 screws, a rear camera that does appear to have deep scratches, if not a light crack across the diagonal of the screen. The camera. Incoming charge current is hard to register because the charge port itself doesn't seem to be seating very well. Just a slight tug on it will release it. Battery level is about under 5% right now. It actually states 82%, but the charge port itself is very loose, so as soon as I tug on it lightly, it comes right off. We're going to go ahead and power up the device and see that it is starting to power up. There's fractures all throughout the whole entire region of the phone. Likely the customer's coming in to see if we can service and repair all these fractures across the screen. First thing we're going to do on this device is we're going to determine an approximate replacement value of the device before we proceed forward with an estimate on the repair. On some devices, it does not make sense to perform repairs and service on it because the cost for repairs and service may outweigh the cost of the replacement device. So Mr. Khan is taking a few minutes to look up the parts of the device so we can get back to the customer now.